Hi everyone, welcome to ID Salon, where we make WordPress simple and fun. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to add a theme to your WordPress site. Whether you're looking to give your website a professional look or a creative edge, this guide has got you covered. Let's dive right. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. You can do this by going to your website.com/wp-admin and entering your login details. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Next, head over to the Appearance section in the left-hand menu and click on Themes. This is where you can manage, add, or change your website's theme. To add a free theme, click the Add New button at the top. Here, you'll find thousands of free themes from the WordPress repository. Use the filters at the top to browse by feature, layout, or category. If you find a theme you like, you can preview it by clicking on Preview. If it's the right fit, click Install, and then Activate. That's it. Your new theme is live. If you've purchased a premium theme, the process is just as easy. First, download the theme file from the provider. It will be in a zip format. Then, go back to the themes page and click on Add New again, but this time, click Upload Theme. Choose the zip file, click Install Now, and then hit Activate. Your premium theme is now live. Once your theme is activated, you can start customizing it to suit your style. Just click on Customize under the Appearance menu. Here, you can change the site logo, colors, fonts, and more. Every theme has unique customization options, so take your time to explore. And that's it. Adding and changing a WordPress theme is that simple. If you're still undecided on which theme to pick, check out our other video on the top 5 free WordPress themes. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to your channel name, and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Have a favorite theme or questions about WordPress? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.